Hello, my dear student. Today we will talk about use a bar graph. In our lesson today, I will give you a bar graph that has some information. You need to see this information, understand very well to answer the question about it, okay? The bar graph that we have here is talking about animals seen at pond, okay? And here we have kind of animals. We have turtle, we have salamander, and we have frog. Well, let's see what is the number of each animal. How many turtle do we have here in pond, okay? So let's count to know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 turtle, okay? So حبايبي we have 6. Someone could tell me, Miss, the coloring part its end at number 6, so we know that we have 6 turtle. Yeah, correct. So you can count or you can see its end where, and the number that will stop on it. This is the number of this picture of that animal. Okay. Let's see the second one, salamander. Let's count to know. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. Or if you look carefully at the bar graph, you will see that the color part its ends here. Okay, if you go down, you will see that its end in number 3. Okay, let's see the frog. Let's count to know how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 frogs. Okay, and if you don't want to count and you want to look at the bar, you will see that the coloring part its end in number 4. Okay, now let's see some questions about this part. Okay, here he asks you use the bar graph to answer the questions. The first question that we have today, he asks you how many animals in all were seen at the pond. He asks you about all animals, so we need to know what's the number of all animals. So let's go back and count all animals. Okay, you have 2 ways to get the result. You can count or you can make plus for this number. You can make 6 plus 3, then make it plus 4. It's up to you. Okay, let's count to know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 animals. So let's go back and write 13 in the place. You got it? Now let's see the second question. Here he asks you how many frogs were seen at the pond. So let's get back to know how many frogs do we have here. We have what? We have 4. So let's write 4. Now let's see the third question. Here he asks you how many fewer, okay, the salamanders than the turtle. Okay, so here he wants from you to find the difference between both. That means we will make minus. Okay, so let's see what's the number of each one. We have 6 turtles and we have 3 salamanders, so we will make it like this. 6 minus 3. Who can tell me? 6 minus 3 equal what? We will count from the small number to reach the big number. So after 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 3. Or you can get the result by counting back. Before 6, 5, 4, 3. So the answer will be 3. Choose whatever you like, okay? You can answer by a lot of ways, okay? Let's see the fourth question. Where more, turtle or frog? Let's get back. Which one is more, turtle or frog? Turtle. Super. So let's go back and write turtle. Okay, that's great. Let's see another questions. Okay, here he asked, how do you get to school? How? Okay, here we have the number of children. So the coloring part here represents the number of children, okay? And here we have bus, car, walk, okay? Let's see the first question. How many kids take the bus to the school? How many? Let's go for the bus. Like we said before, we have two ways to get the result. We can see the coloring part, it's end with number what? It's 8, so the result will be 8 children. Or we can count. Let's count to be sure that the 8 is the correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 students go to the school by bus. Okay, let's see the second question. How many kids walk to the school? Walk. Let's go for the walk here. Okay, let's see. It's end in number 4. So we have 4 students go to school, walk. Okay, or you can count. If you don't want to look for the number, you can count. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 students or 4 children. Let's see the last question that we have today. How many more kids ride the bus than a car? So here he wants from you to find the difference. He asks you the difference between the bus and the car. So at the bus we have 8 children, right? And we have 1, 2, 3 children take the car. So we will make it minus. So that will be 8 minus 3. Who can tell me, my dears, 8 minus 3 equal what, habibi? Yeah, super, I can hear you. 8 minus 3 equal 5. Super, great job. Okay, habibi, now we finished our lesson today. I hope you understand the lesson. So bye and see you next time, inshallah. Bye.